Our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week, Todd Sommer out of Denver, North Carolina. Todd's dad worked for International Harvester when Todd was just a kid, so naturally that's where his love of international vehicles began. Now he's currently restoring a 1950 panel truck. That was a barn find. Todd has a Travelall as well, and his pride and joy is a 1980 Scout diesel that's super hard to find, and Todd bought it back in 1986 with a blown engine for only $500. Now it's the talk of the town wherever he takes it. In fact, the vehicle won Best in Show at the Southern Scouts Nationals just this year. Look, you don't have to be a collector to be our Motorhead of the Week. You just have to love cars or trucks or motorcycles, boats, planes, whatever, as long as it goes. Just go to motorheadgarage.tv. Tell us your story. Tell us why you or someone you know should be Motorhead of the Week. Thanks for joining us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools.com. Come on back next week because we're going to do it again. We'll see you then.